Hi, this is Terry Roseman with LiveYoga Wellness. Thank you so much for inviting me to speak with you today about how LiveYoga Wellness, partnering with Southwest Airlines, can help improve the overall quality of life and wellness for all Southwest employees moving forward. Employee wellness is one of the top 10 issues that businesses deal with today. Lifestyle diseases affect everyone. Cancer, heart disease, diabetes, stroke, drug abuse, whether it is for ourselves personally or for somebody in our lives. After spending 3 days with Southwest Airlines in-flight employees, we learned that some of their concerns include discomfort from standing, foot, back, and neck pain, sciatica, weight issues, mental and emotional issues, stress environment, challenging people, all lifestyle issues that can be helped and avoided and recovered from and managed with yoga. We were there for 3 days, and during the 3 days we had several mini group and private sessions. We also had 2 FaceTime live sessions. I'm going to share a few minutes of each with you today and include the link for the full version for you to listen to when you have a little bit more time.
Hi everyone, I'm Jeannie Burnell with the Flight Attendant Strategic Team, and we are live today in LA with Wellness Week. I'd like to introduce to you Terry of LiveYoga Wellness. She's going to show us some yoga for our airplane seats and passengers.
Good morning, everyone. I'm here today from LiveYoga Wellness, and I'm here to give you a 3-minute seated yoga sequence for your passengers and for yourself. So as you're seated, find your seat and sit upright in your seat. Have your feet planted. If you find when you're in the seat that your knees are much higher than your hips, then take your jacket and slip it underneath you so that you're more at a 90-degree angle. If you have shorter legs and your knees are lower than the seat, then put something under your feet so that you're at a 90-degree angle. Sitting comfortably, come to your breath, inhaling and exhaling through your nose. Extending your exhale breath longer than your inhale breath begins to calm your nervous system. So count your inhale, get to a comfortable number, count your exhale, and then even your breath, and then extend your exhale breath. An extended breath will always calm your system. You can take a nap and you can relax. And then come to an easy breath and we'll do a little bit of stretching. To stretch out the neck, inhale, bring your chin in towards the top of your throat, and exhale, look up towards the ceiling, and on your exhale, bring your head towards your chest. And then come back to center. Inhale and exhale, turn your head and look over your shoulder. Come back to center and over your other shoulder. And you can do this as many times as you need to. Bring your shoulders up. And that was just a moment of one of the videos that we were able to do live on FaceTime. And I'll give you a few moments of the other video as soon as I can get it to come on. Bring your shoulders up, back and down, and roll the other way to the other one. Later in the day, we were able to do another FaceTime live for the flight attendants themselves while seated in the jump seat. Take a look at this.
Hi, I'm Jeannie Burnell, and I'm part of the Flight Attendant Strategic Team, and we're coming to you live from Wellness Week here in Los Angeles. I'm with Terry from LiveYoga Wellness, and Dee is a flight attendant based here in Los Angeles that's going to help demonstrate some poses for flight attendants to do while seated on the jump seat.
Thank you, Jeannie. Thank you, Dee. So today we're going to start with breathing. So sitting in your seat, Have a comfortable seat, sitting down and sitting tall. Yogic breathing is in and out through the nose with your lips closed, unless you have sinus issues that don't allow you to breathe through the nose. So inhaling and exhaling through your nose. Earlier today, we talked about an extended breath. This afternoon, we're going to talk about an expanded breath to fill and empty your lung capacity. If you imagine pouring water into a glass, you pour water into the top of the glass, but the glass fills from the bottom. If you think about your breathing that way, you inhale from the top and you fill front, sides, and back. Without straining, just notice the largest lobes of our lungs are on the bottom of the back of our chest. So breathing into the bottom. A few breaths just like that. And then you can reach your hands up towards the ceiling and relax your shoulders and your shoulder blades. Maybe interlace your fingers together. If it's available in your body to turn your hands so your palms face up, and reach up with your hands but down with your shoulder blades and breathe. Feel your rib cage rise, and then release your hands and bring your hands back down. And then take your right hand to your left knee and your left hand on the seat underneath you. Inhale, grow tall, and exhale, turn away, turn towards the hand that's on the knee. And then inhale back to center and switch sides. Take the opposite hand, inhale, grow tall, exhale, turn on the exhale breath, and inhale, come back to center. And then hands on your knees, and inhale, bring your chest forward, and exhale, reach into the space between your shoulder blades. So you're holding onto your knees, and inhale, bring your chest forward, and exhale, reach into your back. Reach into your back. Maybe take your chin to your chest. And inhale, reach forward with your chest, lift your head up. And one more time, reach, reach, reach into your shoulders. And then come back to neutral. And one more.
And that was a few minutes of the second FaceTime that we were doing while we were there during Wellness Week. We were so inspired by our FaceTime Live opportunity when Alan asked if I would put something together to do on the spur of the moment. I had wished in that moment that I was as clever as some of the Southwest in-flight employees that I've met in my travels, when they would put together a little jingle and make something so mundane so fun. So inspired by that, after the fact, we put together this little jingle, and we hope that you smile along with us as you listen.
Breathe in, breathe out, it's all about LiveYoga Wellness. Sit tall in your seat and plant your feet. LiveYoga Wellness. Become your best, reduce your stress. Stretch, breathe in, out, namaste, enjoy your day, live yoga wellness.
So we had quite a bit of fun with that. Eric Sapala is the lyricist that put that jingle together after he heard about the time that we had at the LAX in-flight Wellness Week. And here are some photos from the few days that we were there, some of the mini sessions, meeting around the table with some of the other healthcare providers, as well as Alan and Jeannie and the other Southwest employees on the team. So I learned a lot while I was there, and mostly about the wellness programs that are currently available at Southwest Airlines, and they are considerably robust, more so than many of the companies that I work with. The Southwest Airlines, the wellness.com, the wellness rewards, all of the programs very well received by all of the employees. But I also found that there was something that was missing, and what's missing is yoga. So let's talk about yoga a bit. The statistics around yoga. 36 million Americans are practicing yoga today, 300 million worldwide. 1 out of 3 Americans have tried yoga. The number of people over 50 practicing yoga has tripled over the last 4 years. And stress relief is one of the most popular reasons for starting a yoga practice. In a recent national survey about yoga, 86% said that it reduced stress. And we know that stress is the largest cause of lifestyle diseases. So if we could reduce stress, we could reduce lifestyle diseases. And it's a circle that we can easily break by incorporating more balance, more yoga. What LiveYoga Wellness offers is an opportunity to work one-on-one with the Southwest Airlines employees from a therapeutically oriented perspective, looking at and working with each person individually and dealing with their unique situation to help them come back to balance and creating a better quality of life and a more productive business relationship, personal relationship, and life overall. So let's talk about the different types of yoga. Yoga has become increasingly more popular, as we've just learned. And yoga, and in the West, as most people think about it, is a class, a group setting taught by a teacher, and it's generally a high impact dynamic exercise type class. To further define yoga as therapeutic means that the yoga teacher has some advanced training, and it's generally a lower impact class towards injury prevention and recovery in its focus. Yoga therapy is taught by a certified yoga therapist, and to become qualified as a certified yoga therapist, there's much more additional, many more hours of training that are required. Yoga therapy, a burgeoning field in healthcare, in wellness today, has recently become a certified profession, accredited through the International Association of Yoga Therapists. Yoga therapy is done generally in an individual setting, although it can also be done in groups, and it empowers individuals to take charge of their own health. There are many benefits to yoga therapy as we look at employee wellness. It increases and improves productivity, presenteeism, communication, and employee satisfaction, to name a few. It supports a broad range of individuals because we're looking at an individual practice, and stress reduction and pain management are at the top of the list of the benefits of yoga therapy. Our research shows that healthcare costs, absenteeism, and risks for factors for poor health are decreased as a result of yoga practices. The LiveYoga Wellness programs and interventions are customizable to each individual and to each group. They can be specific to a healthy back, stress, sleep, mindfulness and meditation, employee empowerment, organizational development at the executive level as well. Yoga therapy sessions one-on-one, online, virtual, have been shown to be as effective as in-person sessions. The advantage of working with LiveYoga Wellness, not only our experience, but we're working with lifestyle health management integration. So with the utilization of evaluations and assessments, determining individual practices, and then measuring those outcomes over time. Integrating these practices with the wellness programs that already exist at Southwest Airlines can only help to enhance and improve what's already there. I'm Terry Roseman, and I'm promoting self-care as healthcare, and would like to enhance Southwest Airlines employees' health and wellness tools today by including yoga and yoga therapy. I look forward to speaking with you soon to continue our conversations about this partnership. I can be reached at 626-255-1207 or terry@liveyogawellness.com. Thank you for taking the time to listen to me today, and I look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.